Hello there friends, welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey. If you like organizational videos, you are definitely at the right place. Today I'll be showing you how I fold my fitted sheets. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Darcy and I do weekly organizational videos here on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, again, if you like organizational videos. We'd love to have you as part of our family here. Now, let's get started. These are some of the sheets that I've folded today. Of course, I've done a couple of videos in the past of how to fold a fitted sheet, and I'll have a couple of those listed in the description box below. However, today I'm going to go through the process of how I fold fitted sheets for our linen closet here in our home. There is no art in folding the flat sheet. All I made sure that I got all the creases out. I have it here. I'm going to fold this area in, straighten out, make it as neat as I possibly can. Then I'm going to bring this over, and then I'm going to, in the middle, make one last fold. This is what the flat sheet looks like right now. Now I'm going to fold the pillowcases, and then I'll fold the flat sheet as well. Now I'm on to folding the pillowcase. So just 1, 2, fold here, meet it in the middle, put them together, and here is the last of the 4 pillowcases. Now I have a flat sheet, 4 pillowcases. Now I'm going to be folding the fitted sheet. I just took this fitted sheet, it's a calking from the dryer, so it's nice and warm, and made sure it's on the wrong side, as you can see here. I'm going to use 2 hands to fold it. The first hand, I'm going to use this finger, and I'm going to point it to one of the edges here. So here it is. The other hand and the other finger, I'm going to point to the other end. And now I have both fingers pointed here. I'm going to put, here they are, I'm going to put the right hand and the right finger here over the left hand, just like that. So now my right hand is free. I'm going to take that right hand, put it where the left hand is, as you can see. I'm going to, right now, just put it on the bed for easy access. I'm going to all the way down where the elastic is, both sides. I'm going to just follow down all the way down where the elastic is until I get to the other end of the elastic. So here we are, we're going down with my hand, just kind of making the way down until I get to the other end of the elastic. Make sure it's on the same side. So here we are. So now I'm at the end of the elastic. I'm going to take my right hand, put it into the corner here, and now it's on the right side. Remember, we started on the left side. So now on the left side. So now my right hand, and it's on the right side. The seams are different, you can see. My left hand is also in. Left finger. Left finger is right here. So there's the right hand I'm going to put back in. So now I have a skirt. Right hand, left hand. And it's on the right side. The seams are different now. Can you see the seams? Now I'm going to use my right hand again, put it over my left hand, so right over left. And now I'm going to put it on the bed. and straighten it out and make a triangle, not a triangle, yeah, a rectangle this time. So here we are. Now I have the sheet folded in a rectangular shape. This is the top. This is one side, of course. Both the top and the side here are the elastic side. Then there is this side here, the end. There is no elastic here. And at the bottom, there is no elastic. So the elastic is on two sides. Top side here. One side here. The other side has no elastic. So elastic is on just two sides. So the bottom, this is the bottom. Okay, so top has the elastic. The side here has the elastic. Now I'm going to fold over one side to the other, from an elastic side to a non-elastic side. Now I'm going to do the final folding. So I'm going to bring this side that has the elastic all the way over to the other end. Straighten out as I go along. Then I'm going to bring this other side over so it makes one last fold here. I'm going to put it over on the other side so I can get all the sides together nicely and neatly put together here. This is the side that has the elastic. I'm going to bring it down. And this, I can bring it down halfway here. This is the non-elastic side. I'm going to bring it here. Then in the middle here, I'm going to fold over. So this is our fitted. This is the flat. I'll put the flat at the bottom, the fitted on top. The 4 pillowcases, and here we have a little package. I'll get a piece of ribbon. Tie it all together. Here we have 1 flat, 1 fitted, and 4 pillowcases. And then I'll just put a little sticky note here and put it in the closet. So friends, this is how I fold my fitted sheets and put into my linen closet. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please let me know below how you fold your fitted sheets. I'd love to hear from you. Again, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week, part 2, when I'll be showing you how I fold my towels and put in my linen closet as well.